Welcome to Incredible App channel. Today I'll show you how to delete Google account in your Android phone. So at first open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to accounts and backup option. After that go to manage accounts and then choose the account that you want to delete. If I select this, then tap on Google account. Now from here tap on data and privacy option and then scroll all the way down. Now here at the bottom you can see delete your Google account option. Then just tap here. Then tap on continue. Then you have to scan your fingerprint. You can also use your password. Then type your current password. Then tap on continue and give it a moment. And then scroll down again. And from here check these two options. Then tap on delete account and give it a moment. And it's done. Now your Google account has been deleted successfully. Now just go back. And that's it. You have successfully deleted Google account in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.